Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about an Instagram update in 2018 because there's a new wave of social media and you really don't want to miss this. So let's head over to my computer screen. Now this isn't actually an update for Instagram, but it's kind of an Instagram update because there's a new competitor in town. I think they've been around for a little bit now and it's gaining traction. But before I go ahead and show you that, this is my Instagram. If you haven't already, come through and follow me. As you can see, I post some pretty good content that you might want to look at. So, anyway, this is Instagram. There's a new competitor and it's called Steepshot. Now, Steepshot is built on the Steam blockchain. Now, if you don't know what Steam is or Steemit, I think I've done another video about this in the past. Steemit is an amazing platform. It's kind of like Reddit in the crypto world, where you get paid for your content if it's good. Well, you don't get paid, people upvote you, and that's how you can earn money from your content, instead of putting it on other platforms where you don't really earn any money. Steemit is where you can earn cryptocurrency for your content if your content is good. And Steemit is built on the Steam blockchain. So Steepshot is also built on the Steam blockchain. And you can earn cryptocurrency for posting your photos. Now it is very, very similar to Instagram, as you can see from the style. Now these are some of the top Steepshot producers or content creators. As you can see, we got Stackin up here, very similar to me. I'm called StackinProfit. They're called just Stackin. Bloody hell. But as you can see from this post, he has earned $74.86 in cryptocurrency. Now that would be Steam dollars. And when you earn cryptocurrency on these platforms, you can then sell that cryptocurrency for Bitcoin and then cash out that Bitcoin into dollars and go and spend it. But as you can see, he has earned $74.86 from that post. He has earned 21 cents. Again, Stackin again, $92. And these are just from photos. Let's scroll down a little bit. $1.73, 55 cents. Pardon me, $52.25. Now imagine if you signed up to this and alongside posting your stuff on Instagram, you also posted it on here. Now you're not going to start earning money straight away. Like any other social media platform, you have to build up an audience, and that audience has to like your content for them to upvote you and to earn money. So if you did sign up for Steepshot, don't go into it thinking that you're going to make a shit ton of money straight away from posting your photos. Think of it as long term. Build that audience so they get to know and like you and like your content, and then people will upvote you and you can earn cryptocurrency. But as you can see, some people, look, $1.05. So it's like Instagram. You can't earn any money from posting stuff on Instagram. Unless, you're doing Shopify, some kind of e-commerce, or you're doing promoted posts for other people where they pay you. But you can't directly earn money just for posting your content on Instagram. This is why I think this platform, well, all the apps built on Steemit will blow up within the next couple of years. Now, there's quite a few apps being built on the Steam platform or the Steam blockchain. We got Steepshot. Then we got DTube. DTube is like a decentralized YouTube, where again, if people like your content, If people like your content, your videos, they can upvote you and you can earn cryptocurrency from your videos. Now, this is DTube. Hold on, let me load up. For some reason, I've changed my profile picture and my cover photo, but it's not coming through properly, so I've got to try and sort that out later. But let's head over to DTube, as you can see, I've been posting my videos on here. But here we go. Now, not the subscriber feed. Let's go to hot videos. Now, DTube again is built on the Steam blockchain. Now, everything you post on these apps, whether it's SteepShot, DTube, DMania, they automatically get posted onto your Steemit. So think of Steemit as the hub for all of these applications being built on it. See, as you can see, I posted on SteepShot and it automatically got posted onto my blog on Steemit. And you got all my videos down here. Obviously, I haven't been earning much. I haven't posted on here for a while. I've just started doing it again. But I don't really have many followers, 44 followers, so I can't really be earning much. But let's go back over to DTube. Now, as you can see, some of these are in the hot videos. So look, he earned $78 for that video. He's earned $53. He's earned $43. And look, even he's earned $166. Now, in all fairness, these people probably have got a fairly big following at the minute, but they all started from zero. Now, you've even got some big YouTubers coming over to DTube now. We got a Hodge Twins. Now, they're in the fitness niche. Hodge Twins. I used to follow these quite a lot back in the day, but now, as you can see, they've moved over to DTube. And look, because they already had quite a big following, they made $639 from one video. Now, that is insane compared to YouTube. Now, all these big YouTubers are realizing DTube is where it's at, and they're now all coming over to DTube and making content for here, because they see the I can't think of the bloody word now. They see the potential. That's the word, potential, that DTube has to offer. So I kind of digressed a little bit. This was supposed to be again about SteepShot, but there's quite a few applications now being built on Steam, on the Steam blockchain. Now let me show you another one. Another one is, what is it? DMania. Now DMania is where you can earn, again, cryptocurrency, but for posting memes. How insane is that you can actually earn money now for posting memes? So let's go to trending. I haven't posted any memes, but let's go to trending and take a look, see what people have been earning. See, look, someone posted this and they've earned $7.77 for posting this because other people upvoted it and liked it. I mean, this is insane. This is a new era of social media that we are going into. Obviously, I don't think Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, I don't think they are going to die, but there's plenty of room for social media outlets like this where you can earn money for posting your content. So let's scroll down. Look, $2.46 he earned for posting that. $4.30. So how insane is that now you can earn money for posting memes? It's just crazy. Now again, this is built on the Steam blockchain. DTube is as well, and SteepShot. But if you post a lot of images, a lot of photos onto Instagram, then I highly suggest coming over to SteepShot and start posting on here as well. Now, to get a SteepShot account, you first have to sign up for Steemit. Now, their application process can be a little bit annoying. You have to sign up, then you have to wait to be confirmed. But they start you off with, I think it's about $10 of crypto in your account, so you don't actually start from nothing. So once you've signed up and got an activated account over on Steemit, you then use your login details to log into SteepShot, DTube, D-Mania, because it's all interlinked. Like I said, think of Steemit as the hub for all these other applications that are being built on it. Now with Steepshot, they do actually have an app. I don't think there's one for iOS yet, but get it on Google Play. So they do have an app. So I highly suggest, if you post a lot on Instagram, then sign up for Steemit and then create an account with Steepshot and start posting your pictures on there and see if over time you can start earning money. I mean, look, $60.95 for posting an image on Steepshot. Now, to be fair, he does have quite a big following, so that's one of the main reasons. But again, $60.95 for posting an image is fucking insane. It is insane. It is a crazy time we are living in, and not many people realise this. Now, if you want to see more videos like this on cryptocurrency, Steemit, DTube, Steepshot, then let me know in the comments down below, and then I will make more videos about crypto and everything crypto related. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. And come and follow me on all these social medias. Right, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.